All right, everybody. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to do our first rotation groups for our information for the American Revolution. Today, we're going to specifically focus on the battles of the Revolution. This paper that you have in front of you is the information that you will need. You can see the boxes are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to flip over to a PowerPoint. It's going to have all the information you need to copy down in each one of these boxes. Okay, so make sure you copy down everything you see today. So you'll have about 15 minutes to get everything done that you need to. So here it is. When we do this, see my PowerPoint work. This is our battles of the Revolution. So what we're doing is we're focusing on the main battles of the Revolution and the significance, just one little piece of information to pull from there, just to remember. So like how we did, the French came for fur. We're going to have similar types of things for the battles. The first battle we have is actually two battles, and we just lump it into one called Lexington and Concord. So in box number 1, you need to put down Lexington and Concord. This is the first shots of the American Revolution. These are the first battles that we had. This is when Paul Revere went riding around, the British are coming, and got all that information. And then as they showed up, the Minutemen, the militia down here in the bottom, were able to fight back the British and to force them back in the first battles. This is also known as the shot heard around the world. So Lexington and Concord, we need to remember first battle and shot heard around the world. If you remember those two things, you'll be in good shape. And this is what kicks off the American Revolution. Now, the date for this is going to be in 1775. Write down 1775 because you do need to know the dates of the American Revolution. Now, the second battle, this is not one that we necessarily spend a whole lot of time on because it often is not asked. But Bunker Hill, this is where the British are going to be attacking. They're going to win the battle, but they're going to realize really quickly that this war is going to be very tough. These guys are not going to roll over and give up like some of the other European powers they were used to fighting. This is where we get the famous quote from, I believe, Patrick Henry, who said, "Don't fire till you see the whites of their eyes." That means until they're close enough to fight you, that's when you're going to see the opportunity to shoot at the British. What we're going to do here is we're going to copy down that information and go to battle number 3. Now, in between Lexington and Concord and Saratoga, the British won everything. Like there was no opportunity, no chance for the Americans. And